How to set up SMS marketing on Klaviyo. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how you can set up your campaign of SMS on Klaviyo.com. What is Klaviyo? Klaviyo is a personalized space to create SMS marketing and email marketing with the option of the push and more real-time data and AI driven insight, as you can read right here. It is a very sophisticated platform to help you make the templates or the landing pages for the SMS and the email templates that you are creating, and it will help you to generate different text and different components for the SMS campaign or the email campaign. Now, the first thing that you have to do is to go to klaviyo.com. Then, as you can see, this is the platform. It is trusted with various brands such as Citizen, Unilever, Kari. All we have to do now is to sign up for this account. If you don't have one, you can put your email and get started, or you can go with login. If you have already an account, you can go with an email and your password. A little disclaimer, guys: everything created in this video, such as email addresses, passwords, files, and names, are created for the sake of the video. They are not created for any personal uses, so you have to create your own email and get started. Now we have access to our Klaviyo account. This is the platform that you can see. This is the performance summary or the business performance summary. Till now I didn't add or didn't create any type of campaigns, whether is it for emails or SMS. I will go and create one with you so you can get the whole idea how to create the email or the SMS marketing campaign. Here, first we have to go to the campaign, create a new campaign. I will click on add. Here it is demanding the type of campaign, the campaign name. You can put it as, for example, like this: SMS, or SMS campaign, like this. I will choose the type, which is Set Up SMS. Now let's go with the tags. You can create tag, for example, SMS, like this, or choose whatever tags you want. Set up SMS. This is the next step. Let's start by choosing the countries you plan to send SMS in. This is very easy and self-explanatory. You have to choose the countries. For example, let's go with the United States, Canada, for example, and let's go, since it is written in English, let's go with the United Kingdom. Then we click on next. What's your company information? Here you have to put the your information. You can go with these are some not real or fake information. They are created for the sake of the video. They are not real, so you have to go with your real information. Then you are good to go. Now, after I have put the information that I have in my account, I have received a toll-free number. It is verifying. This is the free number of toll that is given to me. I will set a branded sender ID. You can set your branded sender ID. This is mine. And the company name, this is suggested. This is mine. You can change whatever you want. You can see the preview of the number and the branded sender. It is like this. It will go like this for the phone SMS. Now, after you have finished this step, you go with next, and here, great to start sending. Let's add subscribers to your list. Here, if you have a list of subscribers within which have phone numbers and names, you can upload the SMS subscriber exactly from your PC. If you don't have, you can create a sign up form, which is very popular. Start collecting SMS subscriber on your website. You click on it and you choose the targets. In this case, I will go with the SMS. Select SMS list. This is the preview list or SMS subscriber. Then you click on the next step, which let you choose a form. Select how the form shows up on your website. You have the pop-up, which is a very highly recommended since it is highest conversion. The full page, you can see the preview right here on the right of the screen. This is the pop-up. This is the model of subscription that will pop up for the website when they enter it directly. The full page, this is the full page. The flyout, this is the flyout. It will appear on the bottom side or left or right side of the screen. And the embedded, which is will be integrated in the website itself. Let's go with the pop-up since it is very popular and has a highest conversion. Let's click on next. Now add a teaser to your form. You have to include a teaser. It is a must since it is mentioned that it is a higher conversion. And if you don't want to add a teaser or include a teaser, you can go without it. But in my case, I will include a teaser. I will click on next. Offer a coupon for signing up. Yes, of course, when the viewers or the clients want to sign up to your SMS campaign, they need to see or they need to get a code or promotional code or a coupon, so they will get a reduction on the price of the items that you are selling or the offer of your brand or something like this. If you don't want to include an offer, it is easy, but I don't recommend you to not put a offer. You can coupon code, put the coupon code, for example, hello, for example, 123. This is now the coupon description. For example, this content displays on your form. You can change it later. Let's say that they will get 10% like this off. This is the description coupon. I will go with the next after I have finished this. It will guide us to the workflow layout. In a second, it is building our form. It will take a second. This is the form that it has been built to us. The site image, the description, coupon description, the sign up, the phone number, the sign me in, and the no thank you. Here you have to select your layout. You can go with the left side image, right side image, background image like this, or with no image. I will go with no image. I can edit the form. I will go to the editor right here. Here we have these styles. You can put it also or remake the style or the type, which is we have the pop-up, which is highly recommended. You can select full page, flyout, embed, and modify the width like this. For example, you can make it medium. You can make the side image, no side image, left image, or right image like this. It is no problem. You can modify the image size. I will not add an image. You can upload it right here. For example, you made a here, then you can upload it and you are good to go. You can modify the background color. Let's go with, for example, this color, the reddish color. You can make a background image and you can add the image from here, the browser, or import it from your computer. I don't want to make this overlay color, everything in order. You can inspect these elements one by one once you are creating your template. Targeting and behavior. Here the display on, you can select both desktop and mobile, desktop only, mobile only. It is up to you, but I recommend you to put the both desktop and mobile, since a lot of people or the majority of people are working with mobile desktop. They are not just close to one case. Click outside form to close. You can click on desktop. This is the option on the desktop. On the mobile, For here, where for example someone click outside the box or outside the form, they will go to the website. They will not be strangled with the box. And you can add also blocks. You can put email input, phone numbers to this box. For example, you can add a text input or a text box. You can drag and drop it like this, and it will show up like this. And this is the text box, for example, like this. I will delete this block. You can add whatever block you want, a radio button, multi-check, box, date, drop down, coupon, text, button, image, etc., etc. That was the essential. Now, after you have finished the setup, you can click on publish. You can review for alerts or publish anyway, and you are good to go. That was everything for today's video. Thank you guys for watching, and see you on the next one.